Okay, we're multiplying it up, this time with some bigger factors, starting with 3. Okay, so let's check it out. 3 is called the threesome, because here we have 3 monkeys, so we went from 1 to 3. So this is called the threesome. 3 is easy as can be if you triple what you see. Because you don't just want 1, you want enough for all of them. In other words, just add it thrice. That means 3. This simply is 1 more than twice. Okay? Simple. Okay, let's check it out. So what is 3 times 3? Well, that means it's 3 doubled plus another 3. So we double the 3 first, 3 and 3. 3 group of bananas, 3 group of bananas, double that. And then add 1 more set of 3 on. So I have a double and 1 more. So double 3 is 6, plus another 3 is 9. So what's 3 times 9? Well, that's double the 9 plus another 9. So double the 9 plus another 9. Double 9 is 18, add on a 9 is 27. Okay, let's check out the next factor. The next factor is 4. 4 eyes. 4 is very fast to do when you multiply by 2. Here's a little good advice. Please, just always double twice. See, we have 4 eyes down here. That's double twice. It's showing up twice. Double it twice. So what is 4 times 4? Well, we take the 4 and we double it twice. So check out this picture. We took the 4. You have it doubled once, but now we're going to double it 2 times. So here's a double, double. So 4 and 4, that's 8. But then we have 8 again. So 8 plus 8, 16. Double the 4 twice. So what's 4 times 7? That's 7 doubled twice. So you double the 7, that's 14. And now add that double on again. It's a double, double. Okay? Okay, and 1 more factor. We're going all the way to a factor of 5. 5 alive. 5 will yield the right amount if by 5s you always count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, blah, blah, blah. Or else just multiply by 10. Half will get you there again. What does that mean? Okay, let's look over here. What is 5 times 5? Well, it's 10 5s. You could do 10 5s, which we know 10 groups of 5 is the same thing as 5 tens, which using place value, you put a 0 at the end, so 50. But then, since it's not 10 times 5, it's 5 times 5, we need to cut it in half, because 5 is half of 10. So get rid of that other half. So what's half of 50? Well, you'd have to know that off the top of your head. That's 25, okay? Or you could count by 5s 5 times. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Gets you there too, okay? So let's practice some of these. Oh, you know what? Let's do 1 more factor. A factor of 9. So let's check out what they have to say about 9 first. These guys are playing some pool, and so it's called 9 ball. 9 is faster to compute if at first you overshoot. So you want to overshoot it. Go too far. Here's a clever tack. Do 10 times, because 9 is close to 10, and then subtract. So let's try it here. What is 9 times 9? Well, 9 times 9 is close to 10 times 9. So we can just say it's 10 9s, and we know that using place value, that would be 9, put a 0 at the end, that's 90. 10 9s is 90. But then we'd have to take away a set of 9, because we only want 9 of them. So we have to take that set away right here, subtract it off. So 90 minus 9, go back 9. Well, it would be 80 if it was subtracted by 10, but it's only 9, so it's 81. So let's practice all these. Here we go. Number 1, try to write these with me. 3 times 9. Oh, I see a factor of 3. Let's practice that one. A factor of 3? Well, we can just double it, double that 9, and then add on one more set of 9. So you still have 3 9s, 9 plus 9 plus 9, but we're thinking smartly by grouping them into a double and one more set. So double 9 is 18 plus one more set of 9. So 18 and 9 would give you not 28, it's close to that. Go ahead and say it. 27. Okay, let's try this one. A factor of 4. A factor of 4, remember the 4 eyes? It's a double double. The glasses, double double. And what are we double doubling? The 8. So we need to take the 8, double it, and take the 8 and double it again and add it together. So 8 doubled is 16. Add the double to the double, and you got your 4 times 8. So 16 and 16 is, pause the video, figure that out. Come back to me, say it. It's in the 30s. Because you have 10, 20, but then you have another 10 from the 6 and the 6, so that's 30. And you'll have 2 more, 32. Okay, let's try this one, a factor of 5. So you could count by 5s 4 times. Or you could do, instead of 5 times 4, you could do 10 times 4, which is 4, put a 0 after it, 40. And now we do half of 40. Well, half of 4 is 2. So it is going to be half of 40 is 20. Cha-ching. All right, let's try this one, 9 times 9. 9 times 9. Well, we have 2 factors of 9. Well, 9 is very close to 10. So let's think of it as that, because that's super nice. 10 times 9 is 9 tens. And 9 tens is just a 9, and you put a 0 after it. Okay? But then we don't want 9 groups of 9. We don't want 10 groups of 9. We only want 9 of them. So we have to take one of those groups of 9 away. So we have to subtract off that 9. And if you go back 9, you're not going to be at 80. You'll be close to that. That's if you take away 10. If you take away 9, you're at 81. Good job, you guys. Okay? Keep practicing. This is the only way to get better and stronger at your multiplication facts. Use those smart strategies. All right? You got this.